Eggshells can be used in a surprising number of ways to boost your plants. After making an omelette or another egg based dish, don't throw away the empty shells. Instead, crush them up and use them to help your garden grow while recycling what might otherwise end up in the trash. As they break down, eggshells act like a natural fertilizer, providing plants with valuable nutrients. Friends, most people throw away the shells, which is the best part for plants at least. Instead of throwing away this resource, consider using it to improve the soil in your garden, as eggshells are a good source of calcium for your plants and can help make a great fertilizer. You can easily add minerals and nutrients to soil using crushed eggshells or eggshells tea. You can also use eggshells as a seed starter to ensure that your seedlings get off to a good start. Method 1, using crushed or powdered eggshell. Save your eggshells when you use eggs in the meal or for a recipe. Save the shells. Crack open your raw eggs, rinse the shells with warm water and let them dry in a sunny pot. Run your finger around the inside of the shell when washing it too. Remove any residue but try to preserve the membranes. Most of the nutrients are in this. For best result, plan on using 4 to 5 eggs for each plant you want to fertilize. Method number 2, crush the eggshells or grind them into a fine powder. You can crush them into flakes using your hands or a food processor. You can also grind them into a powder using a mortar and pestle or a coffee grinder instead. It is possible to use whole eggshells in your soil, but they will decompose much faster if they are crushed or ground into powder. To make the crushing process easier, bake the eggshells at 350 degrees until they start to lightly brown before grinding. Add a few teaspoons of powdered eggshell into the hole if you are planting a new flower, herb, or vegetable. Once you have some eggshells in the hole, put Put the plant inside and pat the soil around it. Putting eggshells directly into the hole with the plant ensures that the plant will get the nutrients from the decomposing eggshells. Method number 4, add crushed eggshells around the base of your plant. You do not need to cover the eggshells with soil. As they decompose, they will leach calcium and other nutrients into the soil. This will help your plants grow into strong, healthy plants. And method number 5, mix crushed eggshells directly into potting soil. When you buy plants from the nursery, you will need to transplant them outside or into a new pot. Before you do this, consider mixing a handful of crushed eggshells into the soil. Over time, the eggshells will leach their nutrients into the soil and help the young plants grow into healthy, strong plants. If you aren't able to use eggshells right away, you can also crush them and add them to your compost bin. Plants like tomatoes, peppers, and eggplant in particular will benefit from eggshell fertilizer. The extra calcium will help prevent blossom and rot. Broccoli, cauliflower, Swiss chard, spinach are also calcium packed and could use extra from eggshells. If you only have indoor garden space, eggshells can still give your plant babies a boost in the form of eggshell tea. So you can use these eggshells powder or crushed eggshell for both your outdoor plant and indoor plant. Eggshells are made almost entirely of calcium carbonate, which our bodies need for healthy bones and muscle. Our plants also need it too, and you can deliver it to them through compost, soil, or by making eggshell tea or eggshell powder. It's kind of like an all purpose fertilizer, and the plant will pull up what it can use, what it is in need of. Friends, if you like this information, please like, share, and subscribe my channel.